Imagine orchestrating several campaigns, leaving no stone unturned, people telling you on your face that this is your year, yet you lose the award. Maria, are you guessing who I'm talking about?
I think I
You already know.
and everyone watching will know that we are once again, we have to start the Oscars conversation with the night's biggest loser. Sorry, but it
Sorry.
was Timothy Chalamet, none other than Timothy Chalamet,
Yes.
whose Oscar campaign has finally reached its end with Michael B. Jordan taking
Taking the
home
lead.
the trophy with only one major win under his belt.
Yes.
The Actor Award, the SAG Award win. That was the only major award he won during the entire season.
But the Oscar award, I would say, for Timothy was very, very, very personal,
Very
because
personal.
he had this several lined up campaigns, marketing, what not he did just for this movie. I think he adapted the Marty Supreme's main character's arrogance
Exactly.
for his promotion, yet he lost. Like,
Yet he lost.
we were discussing the same comparison, what happened with him in the, if you watch the movie, the same happened with him in the movie, that he loses that he wins every competition, but in the end loses the major one. Same goes with him in real life, that Chalamet won almost every major award, but he lost the major one, the Oscars.
Exactly. This was a major case of life imitating art if we've ever seen one. Now that that is out of the way, what about the other categories? Even though you might remember that Newsflip did predict
Yes.
that Michael B. Jordan might win the Oscar.
We predicted three
We
categories.
predicted three other categories.
Best picture, best director, and best actor.
Best actress.
Best actress as well. Oh,
Best
four
actress.
categories.
Best actress.
Actually,
Exactly.
we predicted three. Best actress.
Best actress, because
Buckley.
Jessie Buckley was doing a sweep. That was kind of a no-brainer. Everyone thought that, you know, there won't be any surprises over there. Best picture, one battle after
Yes.
another took the award. Which, by the way, what do you think about that?
I think
Between one battle after another and Sinners.
both are different movies. Like totally different movies. I would say Sinners had potential, but again, one battle after another had to win because of many major reasons.
Maybe it was more like a serious movie,
Yes,
more like
yes.
suited to award
And plus the
pedigree.
cast.
First, the premier best casting Oscar was taken home by One Battle After
Oh.
Another.
I think out of how many categories one battle after another won? 13? 13 were the total number, and they won 9.
6.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Turn that upside down, they won 6 Oscars in total. Which
That's a
is
good number.
Which is still a lot. Sinners being the most nominated film at the ceremony with 16 nominations in total was the second big winner of the night with 4 awards under its belt.
I would say that every category, people predicted the winners. It was just the best actor category that were leaving people confused that who would win, Michael B. Jordan or Timothy Chalamet.
Timothy Chalamet.
So I think it was predictable yet shocking for Chalamet. Of course, the French-American actor, he did his best in the movie. I really personally enjoyed the movie. We watched it together and we really enjoyed the movie. But I think he should star in another movie and hope for the Oscars.
There's a popular theory on the internet that the Dune team was waiting to release the first trailer for Dune 3.
That's very sad.
Because they
the
want
more we talk about his loss,
the
the more
sadder it gets.
the sadder and funny
and
it gets.
embarrassing it
Obvious.
gets.
It's very embarrassing
That
because
they
for this
wanted to
one
include
movie, he played every card
Every
possible.
card.
The whole year. He played every card. Now he has nothing on his table, nothing, and yet he loses.
I think that's why this loss is making such headlines, because
Yes.
even though there have been like bad losses where people have predicted that someone would win and then they don't, but here you could see that the actor actually wanted to win.
Yes, but don't you think the overall the event was very disorganized, I would say?
Yeah, I mean, there was nothing there
Uneventful.
this time. Incredibly uneventful. So
The
we
ceremony
have,
was very uneventful, I would say. But like, what do you think?
well, that's all we have for today because the Oscars themselves did not have much going on for them, and all of the wins and the losses, this is what made the night. So share your takes with us and stay with Newsflip for more of the Oscars.